Hey guys, welcome back to another video with CoinHash, and today I'll be talking about the crackdown of Bitcoin mining in China and the wave of negative news and FUD coming from China in the past few weeks. Today's video will be more on Bitcoin's fundamentals and the future outlook instead of the usual technical analysis. So let's get started. We have Chinese banks rugging accounts with crypto-related activity. In this article, it states that China's third largest bank rugs Bitcoin and that customer accounts participating in such activities, crypto activities, will be closed and customer relationships will be terminated. We have seen Chinese mining rigs being forcefully shut down and the hash rate dropping to all-time lows. And given that China accounts for 70% of the world's Bitcoin mining capacity, which is known as the hash rate, many believe that this is really the end of mining and the future supply of Bitcoin. Now I want to address this FUD, and that's why I decided to make this video to let you guys know about the mining situation outside of China and why there's nothing to worry about. And if you guys do not want to miss out on such crucial crypto information, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. So why do I say that this is not the end of Bitcoin mining? Number 1. Miners from China are already shifting to nearby countries to operate like Kazakhstan. So in this article, it states that this company called Vechain, I hope I said that right, is setting up a mining rig service in Kazakhstan. So this allows China miners that have recently lost their jobs a nearby alternative to continue their operations. So according to this report from an anonymous source that is familiar with China's Bitcoin mining industry, these Chinese miners who have panicked are moving to Kazakhstan overnight. So we are already seeing this shift and migration in operating services. Next, other countries are also competing to set up their own mining facilities. And just to list a few examples, we have Galaxy Digital issuing a $20 million loan to a UK-based crypto mining company called the Argo blockchain to help them build a data center in West Texas. This move will allow Argo blockchain to scale and expand their mining operations overseas. Next, we have Celsius investing more than $200 million into North American Bitcoin mining infrastructure. And there's even a greater bonus to this investment, whereby the profits will be redistributed back to Celsius users, making it a great investment that gives yield to supporting investors. And another example, Greenridge plans to expand mining operations to South Carolina. This article states that the South Carolina facility is able to draw 80 megawatts of power, and 2/3 of which is produced from zero carbon energy sources. And adding on to the point of countries competing to set up their own mining facilities, we also have other countries and states welcoming miners to operate in their region, providing them sustainable resources for operation services. And the conditions in Miami would be very enticing to these new China miners due to the abundance of cheap nuclear power available. Next, we also have El Salvador, which everyone knows is the first country to make Bitcoin legal tender. They're using volcanic energy for Bitcoin mining. They have also announced that they will be building more geothermal facilities to offer green and cheap energy prices to these miners. We also have Senator Cynthia Lummis inviting crypto miners to the state of Wyoming. This is the same exact senator that has recommended Bitcoin investing as a means of retirement. And these are just one of many examples of friendlier jurisdictions welcoming relocating miners to operate in their area, offering access to more affordable and cleaner energy. And now on the topic of using sustainable green energy for Bitcoin mining, the benefits are endless. The transition of Bitcoin mining towards the usage of greener energy will allow more companies to view Bitcoin as an investment because it now aligns with their vision of a future with renewable and sustainable energy usage. So one such example would be Elon Musk announcing that Tesla will resume taking Bitcoin as payment once the miners go 50% green. And we know that many mining facilities are already taking a step towards using clean and greener energy, and this 50% mark will be reached in no time. This lower moral barrier of entry will greatly increase mass adoption for Bitcoin and crypto as a whole. Furthermore, current and future regulations on Bitcoin mining would be loosened since the carbon footprint from mining operations are greatly reduced, even potentially seeing carbon negative operations in the next few years. Now let me just explain why decentralization of Bitcoin mining is good in the long run. Firstly, it reduces dependability on one single country for the mining of Bitcoin. The hash rate and mining power of Bitcoin will no longer be so concentrated in one single area. This in turn decentralizes risk of future bans and regulations. So if crackdowns were to happen again, like the ones we saw in China, the negative impact on Bitcoin mining, the hash rate, supply, and thus the price won't be as significant on the global scale. And the race to capture these ousted Bitcoin miners is just starting, and many other countries are planning to make their move soon. And this increased demand for Bitcoin miners from these Bitcoin-friendly regions will drive these places to provide better facilities and sources of more sustainable clean energy usage, so as to attract operations to set up shop there. This in turn will push mining facilities to develop more cost-efficient and environmentally friendly operation methods. Overall, this will benefit more countries that participate in Bitcoin mining, as the rewards are more evenly spread instead of being concentrated mostly in one country. And on that note, if you guys are looking to invest in crypto but are unsure and afraid of what to do, you can check out our Crypto Secrets Masterclass at CoinHash, where we provide close guidance and mentorship, teaching you about the technical and fundamental analysis to help you make predictable and profitable trades. Link is in the description. So I did say at the start of the video that I won't be covering on Bitcoin's price today, but I just want to give you guys some update on Bitcoin's price in the past few days. So we are still seeing Bitcoin in this channel between $30,000 and the $42,000 mark. So you guys can choose to dollar cost average more when Bitcoin is at the lower regions, at the lower $30,000 levels. I personally would not go in with all my spare cash as of now until we can cleanly break through the $42,000 levels and subsequent resistance levels. Because as of now, there's no guarantee that Bitcoin will recover straight away, especially with the low volume in this recent upward trend. So do keep a lookout on this, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching once again. If you like the content we are putting out, we'll greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell, follow all our social media pages such as our Instagram as well as our TikTok, and look out for our Spotify podcast in the future. So thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.